So I have sliced this brinjal into this half-inch thick pieces, and then I'm just roasting them on this infrared grill, and charring them on this grill. Roasted all my brinjal, and then I cut the vegetable into small pieces like onion, ginger and garlic, and I'll be slicing this tomato. Now I am heating oil, and I'll make masala. So now I am putting in some cumin seeds. So hoping the heat's first test. So now we can put in some cumin seeds. I will let them crackle. So after that I put in some garlic, and then some ginger. Now the garlic is a little bit burnt, so now we can add in our onions. We can reduce the flame. Now, in the meantime, I'll just cut the tomatoes. Now we can add masala. So first we'll add turmeric, okay, and then coriander powder, and then chili powder. We'll just roast this masala for a few seconds. Now we will add tomatoes to this masala. Now after putting the tomato, we will add salt. Now we will just toss it around and let it cook. Keep stirring so that the masala does not get burnt. Also reduce the flame. So now the masala is ready. As the oil is leaving the mixture, now we can add our brinjal to this mix.